Come on, you can help me. Okay, so we got the new red Paddle Co Voyager today. We're going to open it up and see what it looks like.
It's a board!
It is a board. This is a 13-foot paddleboard. This is the bag.
Look, Mama! Look at that!
That's right.
Now I do the map!
Okay. So let's see what's in the bag. So this is the bag of the new Voyager paddleboard. There we go. So you get a cool roller bag with wheels. See, it's got wheels on it. So you can roll it around.
Look at it!
You take it to the airport. Looks like your warranty information. And oh, now these are your fins. It's got 2 fins, which is cool.
Those are my fins? Those are my fins?
Those are your fins, yes.
Oh, those are my fins.
All right, you got more straps. So it's got more straps. We'll put those in the bag.
That one just went.
All right, looks like it arrived safely. That's good.
It's for me.
It's going to be for the whole family. Okay, let's roll it out. Whee! Wow.
That's for you.
That's,
It's for you.
that's for all of us, baby.
Can I pump it up?
No. Don't stand on the ground.
Can I pump it up?
Wow. You got to pump it up? Yeah, you got to pump it up.
So you have it.
Hey. And it comes with a pump. Here's the pump. This is the new Titan pump.
And I pump it up.
Wow, look how cool this pump is.
Those are my fins.
The pump has got fold-up feet. And it's got a little handle that straps to the side. Wow, this is really cool. Look at this. Huh?
It's a handle.
A handle? Wow. They think of everything. This is designed in England, where Peppa Pig comes from. This is Peppa Pig's board. Okay, now we're going to inflate the board.
Gonna give it to Peppa?
Yeah. Okay, let's see. We can get these stiffening buttons in the sides of the board. Okay. So, you have to have the board at 1 psi. You can go to 20 psi. And then you just, look out, honey. The camera can't see. Come, sit right here, sit right here. So what you can do is, there's a pocket right here that's going to, this makes the whole board stiff. And you just pull it in. Pull it all the way in.
I'll try it.
It's very hard, baby. You can put the little Velcro on. Look at that. Put the Velcro on. This little Velcro tab is how you pull it out. And she just attached it right there. So now, with our Titan pump, we're going to inflate this to 20 psi and get out in the water.
Oh.
And then we got to get the fins put on. I'm going to put the wheat fins in.
It worked.
It did work.
Did you see the other one?
Wow. So here's some really cool features about this new board. It's got twin fins, which is really cool. And
Too big.
they're pigeon-toed. See how they're pigeon-toed? So they can, it keeps you tracking straighter, which is really cool. And then, this is the first paddleboard. Not only does it have a nose runner, but it's got a little bit of a V in the hull, which most inflatable paddleboards are flat. I think this board is about 95% as fast as my old race board, but with a lot more stability. The kids have a lot more deck. Even though it's only a foot longer, it just feels, it's actually 2 inches wider than the old board. So that's the red Paddle Co Voyager 13 review. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe the video. And I hope you get a lot out of my channel. But yeah, it's got a really cool shape. And it's super hard. It's only like 14 PSI, but it can go to 21. But it's got this concave, which means it's got a V-hole underneath.
Wait.
Yeah.
We need some help.
Yeah.
Help me.
Come on.
Help. Let me go up there. Whoa.
Yeah. The kids love the board. One thing I had to do was there was 3 bungee straps across. I just put it on the back so the kids could have the room without getting caught up in the straps. Very easy to move the straps. And I just put them back here. You're okay, Zen. Can you say hello?
Hello. What's your name? I said, what's your name? What's your name, Stella?
You're Zenica, honey.
Priscilla?
I cannot say enough how nice this paddleboard is. I really like its V-hole. You can see the concave of that hole. And then right underneath, it's got this little V there. And then on the back end, it's got the twin fin.
Welcome to your video. I said, yo.